The 2025 Tiffin GH1 Adventure van is a well-crafted blend of off-road capability, modern technology, and luxurious comfort, designed for adventurers who crave exploration without sacrificing convenience. Built on the robust Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2500 cargo van chassis, the GH1 is engineered for both rugged terrain and highway cruising, making it one of the most versatile and appealing adventure vans in its class. Let's delve into its features in detail. Performance and build quality. At the heart of the GH1 is a 2.0-liter four-cylinder turbodiesel engine producing 208 horsepower and 332 lb-ft of torque. Paired with Mercedes-Benz's proven all-wheel drive system, the van delivers a smooth and confident ride across various terrains. Enhancements such as Fox shocks and agile off-road mounting brackets improve its stability and durability when tackling uneven paths, while BF Goodrich all-terrain T/AKO2 tires provide superior traction and reliability on off-road excursions. The GH1 stands tall with an optimized ground clearance, ensuring that rough trails and steep inclines are no challenge. A built-in air compressor is a thoughtful addition, allowing adventurers to adjust tire pressure on the go for different surfaces, whether sand, gravel, or mud. Exterior features for adventure. The exterior of the GH1 is rugged yet stylish, equipped with features that cater to both aesthetics and functionality. The powered patio awning with integrated LED lighting provides an ideal outdoor space for relaxation. A sturdy side-mounted roof ladder grants easy access to the low-profile roof rack, which is perfect for additional storage or mounting equipment like kayaks or bikes. Other exterior highlights include underlit running boards with LED lighting for nighttime safety and visibility, a fold-down table for outdoor dining, and rear mudguards for added protection on muddy trails. Tiffin also includes a high-performance light bar, ensuring clear visibility during nighttime or low-light adventures. Interior comfort and amenities. Inside, the GH1 is a sanctuary of comfort, blending practicality with luxury. The ceiling height of 75 inches creates a spacious atmosphere, while the power lift bed, measuring 49 by 79 inches, hovers above a large gear garage. This setup optimizes storage space without compromising sleeping arrangements. The kitchen area is thoughtfully designed for efficiency, featuring a 3.1 cubic foot refrigerator and freezer, a portable single-burner induction cooktop, and a stainless steel sink with a sleek faucet. Overhead cabinets with rigid aluminum frames add durability and a modern touch, while a removable counter extension offers additional prep space when needed. The wet bath is compact yet functional, equipped with a cassette toilet and a skylit shower. The skylight not only adds natural light but also enhances ventilation. For comfort in all weather conditions, the GH1 includes a 15,000 BTU air conditioner with a heat pump, managed via Bluetooth or a wall-mounted thermostat with a temperature sensor. Technology and connectivity. Understanding the needs of modern adventurers, the Tiffin GH1 integrates advanced technology to ensure connectivity and convenience. The van comes pre-wired for Starlink satellite internet, with an optional factory-installed Starlink Pro system offering high-speed internet in even the most remote locations. Additionally, Mercedes-Benz Wi-Fi keeps travelers connected on the go. The GH1's electrical system is equally impressive, powered by a 540 amp-hour Battle-Born lithium-ion battery pack, which can be upgraded to 810 amp-hours. A 220-watt solar panel supports energy independence, while a 3,000-watt inverter ensures compatibility with various appliances and devices. Customization options. Tiffin offers a range of customization options to suit individual preferences. One standout feature is the Adventure Bar, which transforms into a workspace, dining area, or additional storage. Opting for this setup reduces seating capacity to 2, making it ideal for solo travelers or couples who prioritize utility over passenger space. Alternatively, the luxury jump seat option accommodates 2 additional passengers, featuring ultra-leather upholstery and a custom Tiffin logo. This configuration includes a Lagan wall-mount table, which swivels for versatility and can be used for dining or working. Off-road versatility. The GH1's off-road capabilities make it a true standout in the adventure van market. Along with its powerful drivetrain, the van features a suspension system designed for rugged conditions. Its off-road wheels and tires, combined with agile handling, enable it to navigate difficult terrains with ease. The built-in air compressor is particularly useful for adventurers who frequent varying landscapes. By allowing precise tire pressure adjustments, this feature enhances safety and performance whether you're scaling mountain paths or cruising on sandy beaches. Pricing and value. The 2025 Tiffin GH1 Adventure van comes with a price range of $170,000 to $200,000, depending on options and customizations. While this may seem steep, the GH1's extensive features, luxurious interior, and unmatched off-road capabilities make it a worthy investment. Comparable models often fall short in either luxury or ruggedness, whereas the GH1 strikes an excellent balance. Final verdict. The 2025 Tiffin GH1 Adventure van is more than just a vehicle, it's a gateway to endless possibilities. From its robust performance and advanced off-road features to its luxurious amenities and cutting-edge technology, the GH1 redefines what an adventure van can be.